Hey, hi, Mark. Thank you so much for being the participant for the Safe Scrum Master training. I would like to know that how was your experience of these 2 days of the training content, of the facilitation skill? Did you feel more confident about this training now?
Hi, Priyanka. Yes, thank you for asking. I very much enjoyed the training of advanced agility, specifically provided by you. I really liked the content and the exercises that we participated in, and I very much enjoyed your professionalism and all your knowledge that you shared with me. So yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us, Mark. And also would like to know that would you like to recommend the training, the organization, advanced agility, the logistics that we have provided to you? Would you like to recommend this to your colleague as well? What about that?
Yes, absolutely. I highly recommend this because, as mentioned before, you as trainer very knowledgeable at the process in subscribing to this training, and all the facilities that you provide were very well received by me and much appreciated. So again, thanks.
Thank you so much, Mark. All the best.
You're welcome.